Brainy Quotes. Allah will help him who moves in the way of Allah. My fate is in the hands of Almighty Allah. I believe in the religion of Islam. I believe in Allah and peace. Thanks to Allah, I trust myself to distinguish between right and wrong. Everything I do is for the pleasure of Allah. Allah says in the Quran not to despise one another. So the criterion in Islam is not color or social status. It's who is most righteous. If I go to a mosque, and I'm a basketball player with money and prestige, if I go to a mosque and see an imam, I feel inferior. He's better than me. It's about knowledge. Allah is with people who show patience. If you are down in the dumps, Allah will help you if you have belief. But this is a personal thing between you and Him. You can't fool Allah. I owe my success to Allah and my parents who have sacrificed so much to get me where I am. You're not gonna get through life without being worshipful or devoted to something. You're either devoted to your job, or to your desires. So the best way to spend your life is to try to be devoted to prayer, to Allah. I talk to Allah, I pray to Him.